How are you all? I hope you are all doing well. Did you enjoy the break, children? I hope so. Okay, welcome back for today's science class. Children, in previous class we have completed our lesson. Now here I am today to start a new topic. So, children, can you guess what is our next lesson? Yes, this is our next lesson. What do you understood after seeing this picture, children? Yes, these are all eatable things. So, can you guess the name of the lesson? Yes, you're right. It's a lesson food. Yes, children, you already learnt in our previous classes that we need food. Isn't it? Yes, not only we children, all living things need food to live. Why we need this food? We need this food to grow. Children, do you remember when you are small? If you remember all when you are in first class, you are in UKG, LKG, like that, you have grown up, no? Now you are in third class. So it means you have grown. Yes, if you want to grow, we need food. Everyone need food to grow. If you eat a good food, a healthy food, you will grow. Yes, not only to grow children, we need a food to get energy. Why we need this energy? We need this energy to work and play. Isn't it, children? Once you think, if you have not taken anything in breakfast or in lunch, can you work? No. You will sit aside. Okay? So, what we understood, to do work or to play, we need energy. That energy we get from food. So, today in our topic, in our lesson, we are going to learn that from where do we get this all food. You have already learnt in a earlier class. So, you know that we get food from, yes, you are right, plants and animals. Yes, most of the food we will get from the plants, and some food items we get from animals too. So, if you eat a healthy and good food, you will be healthy. Like this boy, you will be healthy. Yes, so we want to know, if you are healthy, you will be happy. If you are happy, you are able to do all the work. Not only work, children. If you are healthy and strong, your brain works very fast. That's why we need to take a good food. Yes, so a healthy body means if you take a good food, your body will be healthy. If your body is healthy, your mind will also be healthy. So, keeping this in our view, we have to take a good and healthy food. So, in our next session, in our next class, we are going to learn. Just now we have learned that we get food from plants and animals. So in our next class, what all the things we get from the plants, okay, and which type of food that is, we are going to learn in our next classes. Okay, children. Meanwhile, you go through the textbook. Okay, in this beginning of this lesson 8, this is and page number 58, you have a fill in the blanks in the beginning of the lesson. So by the side of that you have a help box also. The fill in the blanks are what we you have learnt in your earlier classes. So go through that fill in the blanks, take the help of that help box and complete it as an activity. Okay children, we will meet in our next class. Until that, take care. Okay children, bye.